Daily AI and Tech News. Headlines for August 27, 26. AI agents escape sandboxes. GLM 5.3 flash cuts AI cost 7.5x. Meta fine not enough for. And more. Over 100 tech firms, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Microsoft, signed an open letter urging action against rogue AI. Backed by cybersecurity firms like CrowdStrike and Okta, it calls for new digital defenses and government collaboration. It warns AI-powered cyberattacks will soon grow more widespread, endangering hospitals and water plants. Recent AI sandbox breakouts and attacks prove traditional defenses fail. Signatories propose raising security standards collectively while still developing advanced models. A model nearly matching the best AI at a fraction of the cost, without NVIDIA chips. Z.AI released GLM 5.3 Flash, a 320 billion parameter model with a million token context, about 20 novels. It scores 57 on the Intelligence Index, 3 points behind GLM 5.3, and ties GPT 5.6 Tera. Cost: 9 cents per task versus 68 cents, 7.5x cheaper. On agentic benchmarks, it matches Grok 4.6 with an ELO of 1770. All traffic ran on Chinese AI chips, serving 100 trillion tokens daily. Users get top-tier performance at a tenth of the price, no NVIDIA required. A $17 billion settlement just landed on Meta, and it's still not enough to protect kids online. That's the warning from Amber Cack, who says fines come only after harm is done. She wants rules targeting the addictive business model itself, not just penalties. Cack, a former FTC advisor, argues we can't rely on tech CEOs for answers to social questions. For AI users, this means regulation is shifting from reactive punishment to proactive design standards, so your feeds and tools get safer by default, not after a crisis. A dinner plate-sized chip just got a memory upgrade that could reshape AI training. Cerebras unveiled its Nexus architecture and CS-6 wafer at Hot Chips 2026, tripling rack-scale performance. The wafer stacks DRAM directly, boosting memory bandwidth to 45 terabytes per second, about 20 novels processed in a blink. The CS-6 packs 900,000 cores and targets 85% on human eval. Pricing starts at $2.5 million per system, shipping in late 2027. For AI developers, this means training massive models without stitching together thousands of GPUs. AI agents are learning to touch the physical world. A new research preview, the Model Hardware Standard, lets them safely operate lab and manufacturing tools like microscopes, liquid handlers, and robotic arms. Normally, integrating such devices takes weeks or months due to unique interfaces. This standard cuts that to hours or minutes via a simple driver with basic commands, making any programmable device discoverable. Agents can run experiments around the clock, adjust parameters in real time, and recover from errors autonomously. Gemini 3.5 Transcribe, Google's most precise speech-to-text model, converts raw audio into clean, formatted text. It handles noise, jargon, and disfluencies, removing fillers like umps, and processing self-corrections. It supports function calling, delegating tasks like image generation. It achieves a 4% word error rate for streaming and 2.6% for non-streaming. Developers use the Live API for real-time streaming or the Interactions API for pre-recorded audio with speaker attribution and timestamps. A student peeking at exam questions makes a perfect score meaningless. That's the problem with AI evaluation today. Models may have seen test data, a flaw called benchmark contamination. To fix this, Google DeepMind piloted the world's first double-blind evaluation of a proprietary frontier model. With the Singapore AI Safety Institute and others, they placed confidential benchmarks in a cryptographic box, blocking the model from seeing questions beforehand. Results now reflect true capability, not memorization. A support ticket that once touched one system now passes through 4 agents before a human sees it, and every handoff is an unapproved decision point. That's the real AI risk: fleets of agents calling APIs and each other, creating dozens of connections from just 10 agents. Complexity compounds with paths, not headcount, and nobody draws that graph. Permissions creep first. An agent built for tickets gets broad API access, then 6 months later reaches payments. Ownership thins across 5 agent workflows, and no human is named responsible. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to stay updated, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video. See you tomorrow for the next daily AI and tech news.